Car fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like to 2020 Rav4. We have a code there, and it say, look here, is a check engine light and grill shutter malfunction. Visit dealer. It's a nice car as you see here, brand new. It hit in the front a little bit. They took the front bumper out. After they take it out, you get this one. So we need to know if still the wire is not connected, or we need to just clear the codes. This is 608. We're going to consider it as a diagnostic software. So let's go ahead and try to see what code is there. I'm going to scan the car on the engine system. Stay with us. I'm running the diagnosis. I go by VIN number, auto detect. This is a very good way if you are not sure what kind of car or what you need to do. So we have three cars, Lexus, Scion, Toyota. They are the same family members. So we're gonna go here, read the information. In a few, the VIN number coming in this corner. This is the VIN number. When you say okay, it will decode this for you. It may ask you some references, but it doesn't matter, even available or not available. So North America, yes, and TMMC Canada product, others. This one here with a smart key, yes, this car have a smart key. You click next, and then here is a Rav4 North America. Everything is there. Say yes. Now from here we are going to look at our car. You can run the whole test, or you can, the vehicle is establishing. This is a 4x4 Rav4. You see how the design is, the radio and the screen there, and everything look beautiful inside. Look here. That's good. So I'm waiting for this one to communicate. You see, it takes some time. Sometimes you need an internet. If you don't have internet, you may not be able to do some work. So I gotta go to diagnose, control unit. I don't want to diagnose the whole car. I will go to the engine. And the engine, okay. Say okay. A little bit. Trouble code. On the trouble code, we're gonna wait. Vehicle established communication. Already the communication is there. Stay with us. You see here. Confirm test fail pending. Test fail pending. This is the code. A lot of long codes. So what I'm gonna do is, let me try just turn the key off, engine off, ignition on. I'll try to clear the codes. Here, erase the codes. Ignition. Okay. Okay, I clear it. I clear it. Everything is gone. I don't see here. Turn the key off, and then I will turn it on. Start it. If the wire is connected, maybe a history. If it's come back, we have to fix it. So I don't see no grill shutter. Everything is good. Review before and after. So that means we don't have no problem with it. It look like the system is fixed. Problem is done. The cause of this problem was that the grill shutter was disconnected while they're taking the bumper out, and they fix it. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.